Guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about ear. Please go through my playlist. You will find various information regarding all topics and 800 plus question papers for your competitive exams. So let us see exactly what is ear, how it looks like, and what are the parts we have. Ear is the organ of hearing, and in mammals, the ear is usually described as having three parts. As you can see to the right side of this, the outer ear, middle ear, inner ear. So these are the three parts. Again, from the outer ear, it consists of the pinna and the ear canal. So you can see exactly the ear canal exists, and pinna also you will find in it. So as you can see, eardrum as well as mastoid bone. Again you have auditory nerve. There is a small bone, smallest bone in human body, that is stapes, and the smallest muscle stapedius. So everything exists inside the ear itself. So please go through whatever has been given in it. Here the study of ear is what? That is known as otology. So we should remember, whatever the study concerning to the ear is known as what? Otology. The audible frequency of ear is measured in hertz. So audible is 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. In the case of infrasonic frequency, below 20 hertz, and more than that 20,000, it's ultrasonic sounds. So these are the few slab which has been given. What are the animals which can hear infrasonic? As you can see to the right side, and human hearing 20 to 20,000, more than that ultrasonic. Next we have the sound which cannot be heard by human, that is infrasonic and audible. The total number of bones in the ear is 6. Sorry. The veins which transmit the sound from ear to brain. We should remember there are few veins which transmit the sound from ear to brain. Those veins are known as vestibulo. Please go through whatever the pronunciation is given. I am very sorry, though I am not a bio student. Malleus, incus, stapes, miscode are the bones in middle ear. So we should know what are the bones present in it. They are malleus, incus, stapes, and miscode. These are the 4 bones exist in middle ear. The smallest bone, that is stapes. The smallest muscle is stapedius. Inner ear helps in the listening. There are parotid glands, the glands near to the ear. Those glands are known as parotid glands. Hinge joint exists in the ear. The disease concerning to ear, there are various diseases you should remember. Deafness, tinnitus ranging in the ear is the effect of a inner ear damage, single-sided ear infection. There are few diseases you should remember. As you can see, symptoms of Meniere's disease. You will have the muffled hearing or hearing loss, a feeling of pressure in the ear, tinnitus or ringing in the ears, sudden dizzy spells. So these kind of some problems you will find. What exactly bone conduction? Bone conduction works as sound bypasses the eardrums, leaving the devices such as hearing aids, implants, or headphones to perform the role of your eardrums. Bone conduction headphones, for example, decode sound waves and convert them into vibrations that can be received directly by the cochlea by passing the eardrum. This sound reaches the ears as vibrations through the bones. Early attempts at bone conduction resulted in fairly poor sound quality, but audio bone has developed new technology which decodes the sound waves in high fidelity stereo quality sound. So this kind of bone conduction process is successful for the hearing aid whoever is deaf. So these are the few principles and methods I have adopted for the proper listening for the deaf people. So I hope bone conduction will help you a lot. And what are the causes for the ear pain? So there are various problems: sinusitis, dental problems, and ear skin problems. Earwax blockage are the few causes which may be pain in your ear. And even if you don't take wax also, then the dewax, that you have to use the dewax and you have to clear that wax, then you'll have the ear problems. So they are very dangerous for you. You can call me on 766730 for the 2100 PDF of GK and GS. If you are interested, please call me. It's a free of cost. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.